Feel it, feel it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Works. Today we're going to be doing a static DIY, a Static Works how-to, and we're going to be showing you guys how to replace your incandescent bulbs on your vehicle to LED bulbs. As you can see right now, these are video clips of my BMW and Martin's Veloster. As you can see, all the light bulbs on every vehicle have a yellow hue, and that's why we're gonna replace it.
Replace it? We're gonna replace it.
Replace it with white, bright white LED bulbs, which are gonna be more energy efficient and they're gonna be brighter. And overall, it gives your car a way better appearance. So I got mine on Amazon for $18. It comes with 16 bulbs, and it even comes with these little plastic remover clips. I don't know if you guys seen my other video, that's exactly what I called them when we did the trunk. If you try buying these bulbs at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, they're gonna cost you like $6 per bulb. It's ridiculous, and you can buy these for stupid cheap on Amazon. I'll have the BMW ones linked down below. You'll have the Veloster ones linked down below. Amazon has everything you need for these bulbs, and we're gonna show you the big difference it makes right now. So these are the factory yellow bulbs. We're gonna try to replace it, so I believe we have to pry it open, and that's what the prior tool thingy is used for.
Prior tool thingy used. A-class, high hardness, non-toxic.
So I'm gonna try not to break it. I believe you just have to clip them off from the inside on the sides.
After about 4 hours, we finally got it. We didn't know this whole thing came off. Usually it's just this plastic piece, but I guess it's this whole piece. There's clips right here, so pretty much you have to force it out. So I think all we have to do is just spin it off really, and that's it. That's pretty much the same thing for all three.
So I'm going to be showing you how to replace this. All you have to do is pull it out, and then you place the new one in, which is going to be 3 LEDs. Clip it in. Right now I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually put it in there. All you have to do is fit it, slide it, it locks into place, and then this is going to be the difference of how they look. As you can see, these bulbs look a lot better compared to these, and they're going to be somewhat brighter.
Danny's BMW is a lot more difficult than we thought, so we're just going to go to the Hyundai. It's a lot better. This one's pretty simple. Pretty much put your plastic tool thingy here on the side. And you should be able to pop it out, which is pretty easy. Do the second one. Let's do the hole. Pretty simple.
This is exactly how the G is too, so it's super easy to take off.
Why is it sharp? Oh! What's the base? Oh shit! Look at this! So pointy. It went for the eyes.
Why would they do that?
Damn, they did it on purpose. We're gonna show you the difference between the yellow OEM cheap ones versus the LED white. So if anyone has any issues with the LEDs not working, turn it the other way. For some reason, I had this side over here and this side over here, and it did not work. I flipped it around, and for some reason it decided to work. I have no idea why the hell it matters. I guess cheap LEDs, I'm not sure how it works, but yeah, just flip it around, you should be alright. They look about even. They're not even the same color.
Maybe that's what the different bulbs are. Who's mad? One is like blue.
So embarrassing. So embarrassing. I like this. I'll give them a 2 stars.
What are you gonna give them?
2 stars.
An update on the E46. We polished and waxed it today, and tomorrow, which is gonna be a couple days after this upload, we're gonna be finally slamming it, so stay tuned for that.
There's this little weird cover on here. There's little tabs here that you have to push back in order to get to the light.
Ah, it's more better! Obviously, if you have a different car, there's gonna be different clips, different plastic pieces.
I tired of Danny playing around, so I just decided to do his myself. Flathead. It's not that difficult, dude.
It's because we were doing...
Just kidding. Where? Right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you an example what I mean by turning it around when it doesn't work. Does not work. Take it back out. Flip it the other way. Not sure why it does that. It's kind of weird, but LEDs are weird in general.
You're so dumb. So this is gonna be the interior with the new lights, and these are gonna be the back. As you can see, it makes and complements the interior a lot better. So this is where we're gonna end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY how-to. We are trying to do more how-tos for multiple cars, not just G35s, E46s, and Velosters. We're trying to attract a bigger audience so more people can enjoy our videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. We might start a series, and this might be a series of Static Works DIY mods that you can do for cheap. So we might think of a name that we can probably name that.
We'll see.
And we can start doing a series. So on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys
on the next one.